Hello friends, today we are going to see how to create a Windows application form using CHash language in Visual Studio. So we are going to open the Visual Studio and after that press a new project. After pressing new project, then we have to first create the library, class library, then press the class library. Here is the class library. Then we can give any name and add because we are performing creating the application form which is may related to addition or may related to subtraction. So our aim is to create the application form which is related to addition. So I write here addition. So okay, now it is creating. Okay, it's created. Then we have to write the code which is the backend of that application form which we are creating using the Windows application form. So whatever the process will perform uh, in backside of the Windows application form, here we have to write that code. So first of all, we are writing the addition code. So we have to take 20 years public int is return type. Then you can give any name for the calling the function. So here we have performed the addition. So I am calling here for as addy. Then give two parameters. First will be integer type a, second will be same integer type, and that will be b. And then we have to perform the addition on a and b, and then we have to return that values a and b. So write return a comma b or a plus b direct before performing addition. So here we are created our class library file. Then first of all we have to debug. You have to check whether it is created or not. Then after building it is build operation, build solution, or you can press F6 button. So what happened here, the DLL file will be created and it stores something in else somewhere else. So after that we have to create the new Windows application form. So just click here file. Before that where the DLL file is created, we have to just check here, press, then go to documents, Visual Studio, then projects, then our addition. Here will be lastly DL file we create. That is .dll, addition.dll. So we have to give the reference of that DLL file to the Windows application form which we are going to create now. So this will be DLL file. So click on file, new project, then select the which here is Visual CHash, and in that Windows, click on Windows, and first point will be the Windows Form application. Windows Form application. So you can give any name to the Windows Form application. I am giving the addition underscore. So it will be the name of the file. Select the Windows Form application. Press OK. Okay, now the Windows Form application will be created. The code will be automatically generated behind that scene. So we have to just double click this form. So after double clicking this form, we will get a code behind this. So that's a big advantage of the C hash, or we can show Visual Studio. Mm, we did not have to code the entire for the application, means front end. We just have to drag that um, buttons or whatever maybe. So the code of that buttons or text area automatically will generate it. So the code of this Windows application is here. Simple. Windows form using system, all that. And this will be our Windows form. So we have to, there are different, we have to select one of them. We required button for pressing and creating an addition, and then we require text area or text box. We require three text box, for one keyword and second keyword, and third will be for result. So again, text box, press, don't just drag it and left the mouse. Then again toolbox, click text box, drag it and left the button. Okay, this will be for A, this will be for B, and result will be here. So that's our application form. It's looking like mouth. Okay, you can add background image also. So how to add background image? Just click the form, click the form. Okay, then here there is a option that is background image. So we have to just change the background image of that form. So how we can change the background image? There is a option, then click on that here, local resource, import that file. So select from your desktop or your PC which you want to insert the image. So I'm selecting this image for this application. Okay, this will be our image. You can give anything to that related to that image. So this will be our button. So I'm just increasing that size. We have to rename that button so user can understand the we are going to perform the addition. So click on that button and then go to it, here properties, and there will be the name of that button. So we are performing addition, so is equal to, after perform addition you have to perform the is equal to, so it will be is equal to, here the administration is equal to. You have to increase the size of that is equal to, then just go to font, sorry, press it, it will be bold, size will be 11 or it will be bold. You can change color also. Text color, we can change text color, anything. This will be white, this will be, so we have to give labels to A and B so user can understand what where will be showing the result and where will be performing, we are going to perform the addition. So here we are also adding some image. This will be good. Then changing the color of the image, so that's good. Okay, so we have again click the toolbox, press the label, drag it, and just this will be label 1. You can just copy from there, click on this, press Ctrl C, again click on form, press Ctrl V. So label 2 automatically will be created. There is need not to copy from the, again drag from the toolbox. So we have to give the rename for label 1. So press the label 1, then go to the properties, then label 1, value of a, value of a, here value of a, simply it will generate. Here will be value of b, so here will be value of b. You can use as a transparent. So we are checking the value of a. The background is like white color, so we can give the anything to that background color. So just go to the transparent. The product will be transparent for that image. So just click on background color, controls, go to web, click on transparent. So value will be the transparent color. Check the value b background color and check the value of a background color. Background is a transparent rather than background b. So click on again background b, background control, web, and then transparent. Here will be transparent. So you can bold it also. Click a, change the font style, press bold 10, value of a. Click b, bold 10. Okay. This will be value of a, this will be value of a, and this will be result. So you can copy this same, control C, press control V, here will be result. So we are just renaming this. Result. Here will be result. So we just created the front end. So we have to add the reference to the DLL जो previously we are created. So here will be the addition, and then here will be references. So right click on the references, add reference, then we have to import that DLL file which we have created last time. So browse it, go to class library, project, our class library, addition, go to addition, bin, debug, then DLL, add, then okay. Now DLL file will be added, references you can check here. Now we have tried the code of is equal to. When the user will click on is equal to, what will be actually happen? So how the process will perform after clicking the is equal to, means when the user will click the is equal to, there will be operation will perform like a plus b is equal to c. Okay, then double click on this button, where will the code appear for that application. So we have tried this code on here. So first create an object of class of the object browser, that is the code. That is the code written. So C class T equal to class 1 D. Check whether the class name is same as that of the class name which are the declared in, or which are the present in our DLL file. So check whether it is same or not. If it is not same, it will be showing the error. It is showing the error. So check whether it is having the same or not. go to this, check for Windows application form, addition, click on this. So here will be class 1, right? So it is okay. So class 1, here will be the, so here is showing the error. So why it is showing the error? Because we are directly accessing the class. So it will showing the error. We have to check the class 1 present in which class. So it is present in namespace addition. So addition dot class. Now we are created the object of that file. Now we have to perform the addition operation. So when we perform the addition operation, then we have to show in text area 3. So click on this, check the name of that table. The name is the text box 3. So you can just say R. So R will be result. So we are going to R is equal to. So R is equal to convert dot to string, because whatever we are going to show the in text box, it will be in the form of string. So press the convert dot to string, convert dot to string, and then object d dot add e, because we are calling the function. So pass the two parameters. First one will be the number which is taken from the text box 1. So what will be the name given to text box 1? Change that name. Click on this. Change the name of text box. Write as a T1. Then click on this checkbox. Checkbox name. Sorry. Text box T2. Again. Control S. Form 1. D. Then we have to convert the whatever we are getting into integer format. So write as a convert dot to int 32, because whatever we are accessing the parameter, it is in form of integer. So it is in the t1.text, comma, convert dot to int32. It will be the t2.txt, then press semicolon, and this will be the complete of that message. So this will be complete here, then this will be complete here, this will be complete here, and check whether it is correct or not. First of all, we have to check it overloaded. So why so check r is the text box, so we have to write r dot text, so it will be here. Press Ctrl S, then check whether we are write it correct or not. Debug, successful debug, then this will be the form. These two fields we are going to see. These three fields are transparent. Yes, you are seeing this. You can shut down, close, just close. So you can see these three fields are transparent. Okay, so enter here. Sorry. So whatever we are going to see, it will be transparent. So we have to make it some visibility, because when we are going to write some transparent media, and we have to give some color which are not transparent. So click on this. First of all, close that application which are created. Press okay, this will be open. Click on this value, check whether it is transparent or not. Back color will be the new choose. Here will be back color same. There will be some different colors we can add. Blue. So text color will be the black. Okay, it should be bold like something, so user can easily understand what is written there. To the same, here is the same. Okay, again build it. Start debug. Now you can see the areas which are not transparent. So now you can click here, write enter 5, 6. When you press will show the 11 here, showing the result. Again we can change the values, 65, 56, 121. So this how we have created the Windows application form by using C# environment, using the IDE Visual Studio. So you can create the anything, any application form, this only. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe.